Financial statements and its objectives. Financial statements. All the users, whether internal or external, have different informational requirements from the business. So instead of generating information for individual users, the business prepares a set of financial statements, which fulfills the informational needs of all type of users. Objective of preparing financial statements. Financial statements gives a true and clear picture of the financial status of the business or organization and change in the financial position of the business over a period of time. Financial statements give a true and clear picture of the financial performance of the organization by doing a comparative analysis of the previous performances. Trading and profit and loss account. Trading and profit and loss account are generally prepared together. It helps to calculate the profits earned by the business in one accounting period and loss faced by the business in an accounting period. It helps to calculate the net profit or loss of the business in one accounting period. It is a summary of revenue and expenditures of a business. The debit side of the trading profit and loss account shows expenses and losses, and credit side shows revenues or gains. Items in trading profit and loss account. Items on the debit side. Opening stock. It is the goods in hand which are available for sale in the beginning of the accounting year. It has been carried forward from the previous year. Purchase less return. On the debit side of the trading account, we write the goods that has been returned to the seller. It may be cash or credit. The goods which a buyer returns to the sellers are termed as purchases return. We show it by deducting it from the purchases, and the net amount is known as net purchases. Excessive purchase returns can affect the profitability of a business.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.